Hello, Unbodies, and welcome to this video where we'll learn how to turn game videos like this into realistic videos like this. What an ugly guy. To get an idea of the type of video we're going to make, you can visit my main channel, September Corp. I'll leave the link in the description where you can see I have some videos of this style, converting games into real-life footage. How can you make videos like this? It's very simple. The first thing you'll need is to be registered in the Runway ML app. Now, with the free version, you can only create a few 10-second videos per month, a very limited amount. To create more videos, you'll need a subscription. I have a monthly subscription that lets you make as many videos as you want, alright? Once you're inside Runway, here's what you need to do, whether you have a subscription or not. You go to where it says Generative Video, and from here, it allows you to turn videos into another type of video. If you're on the free version, you'll have a certain number of credits. Not as many as I do since the free version has fewer credits, and these credits are equivalent to a certain number of seconds. For example, 2,000 credits amount to 530 seconds of video that you can generate. If you have an unlimited subscription like I do now, you can make unlimited videos, though they might take a bit longer to create. But it doesn't take too long either. How do we start? First, you're going to need a video. One thing I forgot to mention. To create realistic videos, it's essential to choose the Gen Alpha Turbo model, alright? Up here. And we select Gen Alpha Turbo. For example, I'm going to use this one from Parasite Eve 2. What I currently have open is a video editor. You'll need any video editor to cut the video into 10-second clips, because you can only make 10-second segments. You can't upload a full video. That's the little downside here, alright? I've selected this segment. Let's make it last 10 seconds, okay? This will be 10 seconds, and here we have a video exactly 10 seconds long. Boom, we're all set. Now we'll export it. And we'll have a 10-second video like this. We drag it into the Runway app and wait. Once it's uploaded, it will ask us to crop it. We can go directly to crop, choosing horizontal, landscape, or vertical, portrait, if we want it that way, and adjust. I'll leave it in landscape. If I want, I can make it closer or further. I want to fit as much as possible, so I'll position it here and hit crop to trim the video. After uploading, we'll see a preview of the video we uploaded. Now we need to write a prompt down here. It's usually said that you get better results in English, but I've tried other languages, like Spanish, and it works well too. Let's try both. For example, I use the keywords realistic cinematic shot on HD camera. The film shows a man whose hand is burning. We hit generate and wait. While we wait, let's try it in Spanish to show that good results can also be achieved. In Spanish, I wrote
Toma cinematográfica realista en una cámara HD. La película muestra un hombre cuya mano se está quemando.
Which translates to the same thing in English. Realistic cinematic shot on HD camera. The film shows a man whose hand is burning. The same prompt as before. We hit generate, and it will generate the same thing, trying it in Spanish this time. Here we already have the first result from the prompt we entered in English. Let's see how it turned out. As we can see, it looks quite good and realistic, though it has some strange issues. For instance, here there's fire, and here there isn't. In this part, the head is burning. The man's head shouldn't be burning. Here it gets a bit wild, but overall, we've achieved a good result. And here below, we now have the result in Spanish, which should be more or less the same.
¿Qué carajo estás haciendo aquí? ¡Lárgate, cabrón!
Not bad. If we compare, they have some differences, but they're roughly the same. While I used a video game scene, you can also use gameplay videos. Here, for example, we have gameplay from Resident Evil 2. And the prompt I'll use is realistic cinematic shot on HD camera. The horror film shows zombies. We hit generate, put it in the queue, and wait. And here's our result. There are some fairly realistic parts, like this man here. The zombies are a bit strange. Well, this one is quite realistic. Though this part went a bit off track. But the result is quite good compared to the original video. And that's it. That's how it's done. This is how you turn a video game into a realistic scene. Thank you very much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my tutorial channel where you're watching this video, or to my gameplay channel or main channel where you can see AI videos like these. Thanks a lot for watching, and see you in the next one. Until next time.